Okay, let's do part 4. Addition of three integers. Find the sum, work from left to right. Okay, let's start with number 36. So 12 plus negative 5, different signs, so we minus them. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay. And 7 will be positive because the bigger absolute value number here is positive, the 12. And then we add 7 to 8. 7 plus 8, answer is 15. Number 37. 37, we have negative 10 plus 25. Negative 10 plus 25, we're going to minus them because they have different signs. So 25 minus 10 is 15. And the sign of the bigger number is 25. Is positive. So it's positive 15. Positive 15 plus negative 8, we minus again. So 7. And the sign of the bigger number is positive. So our answer will be positive 7 or just 7. Next up, we have 38. 30 plus negative 45. 30 plus negative 45 is 30 plus negative 45 is answer is 15. And 15 will be negative because the sign of the bigger absolute value is negative. And then we added the 20. Now they have different sign. We minus them again. So 20 minus 15 is 5, and the sign of the bigger number is positive, so our answer is positive. Okay, so number 39. We have negative 15 plus negative 20. Now we add them as usual because they both have minus signs. So 15 plus 20 is 35, and it's going to be negative. And then negative 35 plus 40, different signs, so we're going to minus them. 40 minus 35 is 5, and then the sign of the bigger absolute value is positive, so our answer will be positive. Number 40. Now, in number 40, we have negative 8, negative 12, and negative 5. All of them have the same sign. If this is the case, we can just do the addition all at once because we're just going to add them. They have same signs. So 8 plus 12 plus 5, it will be 25. And then copy the sign negative. That's it. Number 41. 50 plus negative 30. Now 50 and negative 30, they have different signs, so we are going to minus them. 50 minus 30 is 20. And the sign of the bigger number is positive, so it's going to be positive 20. Now positive 20 plus negative 15. Different signs, so we're going to minus them. 20 minus 15 is 5. And then the sign of the bigger number is positive, so our answer is positive 5. 42. 42, we have negative 100 plus 60 plus 45. Negative 100 plus 60, we're going to minus them because they have different sign. Answer will be 40. And the sign of the bigger absolute value is negative, so it's going to be negative 40. Now negative 40 plus 45, different sign. So we are going to minus them. 45 minus 40 is 5. And then we copy the sign of the bigger number, which is the 45, positive. So our answer is positive 5. Number 43, 18 plus negative 27 plus 14. 18 plus negative 27, they have different signs, so we're going to minus them. 27 minus 18 is 9. It's negative because the sign of the bigger number is negative, the 27 here. And then negative 9 plus 14, as you can see, they have different signs again, so we're going to minus them. 14 minus 9 is 5. And then the sign will be positive because 14 is bigger than the 9, and 14 is, yeah, positive. Number 44, we have negative 33 plus 18 plus negative 5. Now, negative 33 plus 18, we're going to minus them. They have different signs. 33 minus 18 is 15, and 15 is going to be negative because 33 here is negative, the bigger absolute value. And negative 15 plus negative 5 is, it's going to be negative 20. We're going to add them because they have both negative signs. 45. 45. We have 25 plus negative 10 plus negative 20. Now in number 25, sorry, in number 45, we're going to minus the first two numbers because they have different signs. 25 minus 10 is 15, and it's going to be positive because the sign of the bigger number is positive. And then 15 plus negative 20, we're going to minus them. It's going to be 20 minus 15, 5 again. And then this time it will be negative because the sign of the bigger absolute value is negative. Okay, let's move on to part 5, challenge multi-step addition. Find the sum of all integers given, show your work in space provided. Number 46, we have negative 55 plus 28 plus negative 13. So let me write it here. So in the previous part, like part 4, we did the problems from left to right. In this case, they didn't mention about it, although the correct one is from left to right. In other, there are other ways, the other ways, if I'm dealing with this kind of integers, like a lot of integers, is to add all the numbers with negative signs and then add all the numbers with positive signs. And then the sum of those two numbers, you're going to add them at the end. For me, that's the easier way of answering this kind of questions. Now, let's do it here in number 46. Let's add first the numbers with negative signs. So that's negative 5 and negative 13. So yeah, they both have negative signs, so we can just add them. 55 plus 13 is 68. And then we copy the sign negative. Now we have negative 68, and then we add it to positive 28. So negative 68 plus 28, they have different signs, so we're going to minus them. 68 minus 28 is 40, and we copy the sign of the bigger absolute value, which is the 68 here, negative, so it's going to be negative 40. That's our final answer here. Next, number 47. In 47, the given is negative 24 plus 36 plus negative 12 plus 0. So again, we can add the numbers with negative signs first. That's negative 24 and negative 12. Now, negative 24 plus 12, add them. Answer is 36, and copy the sign, negative. And then the other part would be 36 plus 0. 36 plus 0 is just 36, right? Okay, so we have negative 36 plus 36, which will be 0. Okay, we are adding the opposites, is always 0. Okay, number 48. In number 48, we have negative 40 plus 15 plus 60 plus negative 5. Okay, let's add the numbers with negative signs first. So the numbers with negative sign here is negative 40 and negative 5. So 40 plus 5, 45, and copy the sign, negative. Then we add the numbers with positive signs or the positive integers. 15 plus 60 is 75. So we have here plus 75. Okay, now they have different sign, negative 45 and 75. So we minus them. 75 minus 45 is 30. And then we copy the sign of the bigger absolute value, 75 positive. So it's going to be positive 30 or just 30. Number 49. In number 49, we have 125 plus negative 75 plus negative 50 and negative 99. Okay, we're going to add the let's check first. We only have one positive integers and we have three negative integers. Okay, so let's do the negative integers. 75 plus 50 plus 99. What will be the sum? 75 plus 50 plus 99. The sum is 224 negative. And then we added 225, the positive number. Okay, now they have different signs, so we're going to minus them. 224 minus 125. The answer is 99. Okay, and the bigger absolute value number here is this one, and it's negative, so it's gonna be negative 99. Okay, let me just write it here. This is negative 99. This is 30. And the last one, we have 50. Number 50 is, let's put it here, 50. So we have negative 200 plus 158 plus 76 plus negative 25. Okay, so let's add the numbers with negative signs. 200 plus 25 is 225. Copy the sign negative. And then for the positive numbers, we have 158 and 76. 158 plus 76 is 234 plus 234. And at the end, we're going to minus them because they have different signs. 234 minus 225, the answer is 9. And the sign of the bigger absolute value number is positive. 234 is positive, so it's positive 9. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today.